In this video, I'm going to be upgrading from the factory dull orange interior lighting to LED bright white lights. Now currently, these are factory lights inside this Xterra, and when you open and close the doors, the interior lights come on, but it barely lights up anything. So we're going to be installing some LED bulbs and change that. So follow along step by step. We'll get the inside of this vehicle lit up nice and bright and get this vehicle back on the road. I'm sitting in the driver's seat right now. As you can see, I've replaced one of these with the new LED bulbs. So just take a look at the difference. This is the factory bulb. This is the new LED bulb we're replacing. Now to remove these covers, you can just take a very small flat blade screwdriver and you're going to wedge it up inside there, and then you're just going to give it a little twist. And then you'll be able to work your way around and pop this right off. Now once you have the cover off, you'll see the bulb, and then you'll see these two silver tabs. One is a little more spring to it. All you have to do is just pull it away from the bulb, and the bulb will fall right out. Now to install a new bulb, you're going to put it on the spring side first, which is going to be this one right here. This one's a little more fixed. This is the spring side. Now you'll kind of feel it pop into place. There's kind of indentations on the end of here. And then you're going to rotate this new LED bulb so it's straight down. Now we're going to put the cover back in place. And now the front are all done. We'll go ahead and move to the back seat where we have a single bulb in the back seat. This cover is the same way. You just use your flat blade screwdriver, pop it loose. That cover comes off. And then the spring side is right here. So let's just push on that. And out comes the bulb. So we'll grab our new one. And the same thing, once you get it into place, rotate it so the LEDs are straight down. Cover's back in place, so this one's done. Let's go ahead and open up the rear hatch and do that one. Rear hatch open. Look how dull these orange factory lights are. It's just such a huge difference between this back light and the front lights. So let's just take a look here again at this back factory cargo light. And then let's pan up to the front of the vehicle. Look how much brighter that is. You feel it pop into those two little dimples. Go ahead and rotate it straight down. Let's take a look inside here. All the lights are done. That back cargo light only comes on when the rear hatch is open. But the inside of this car, you could see everything inside there. It is so much brighter. And that's it, guys. In under 10 minutes and for around 12 bucks, this vehicle just feels like it's about 10 years newer. All the new vehicles you go out and look at now, the 2024s and newer, all have LED interior lighting. That's what makes this car feel a lot newer. And it's much brighter. If you're out late at night, 10, 11 o'clock, and it's pitch black, you can definitely see inside this car no problem. Hope you guys enjoy the video, and thanks for watching.